Tonight we're having chicken legs, and I wanted to show y'all how we're making this marinade that we're gonna put the chicken in and bake it for a little while in it, and then take the foil off the top and get it a little crispy, and how good it makes these chicken legs turn out. So y'all come along and let me show you how to make this marinade for these chicken legs. Okay everybody, let's make our chicken leg marinade. This is what we're going to use. About two teaspoons of minced garlic. A half of a medium onion. A fourth of a cup of cilantro. Lime juice. Getting it open's the hard part. Two teaspoons of lime juice. A little black pepper. About a teaspoon of parsley. A little bit of salt to taste, how you like it. And about a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And then mix. Once you have it mixed, your marinade mixed, put about a fourth of a cup of olive oil. Just mix it with a spoon though, don't mix it with the blender, because it'll thicken up your olive oil too much. Have your oven preheating to 400. Now take your marinade that you made and brush on the chicken. I've got chicken legs here. And it smells good with that garlic and that cilantro. Now let's turn them over on the other side. Oh, this casserole dish is wobbling. you get your chicken coated good, take about, I'd say this is probably 3 tablespoons of butter and cut up on top of it. And then I take a little bit of onion powder and just shake over the top. Just a tiny bit more salt. Cover with foil, put in the oven on 400, let them bake for about 40 minutes. Okay, everybody, let's get the chicken legs out of the oven. Phew, it's hot. Very hot. Okay, now I'm going to pour the juice out of there into this little bowl. We're going to try it. Let's see how this goes. I want to leave just a little bit, but I don't want all this juice. I'm going to save this to make chicken and dumplings with. See how pretty that broth is off of that fat? And now I'm going to take my total seasoning because they're tender now, and I'm going to coat it with a little bit of this total seasoning. Just a little bit of more paprika to give it a pretty color and a good taste. And then we're going to put it back in the oven with the lid, with the aluminum foil off, and let it get a little crispy. What it looks like now. I'll bring you back when I get it out. Phew, it's hot in this oven. But that right there is what we're going to use for chicken and dumplings. Maybe tomorrow night. Can't buy that out of a can. Okay, y'all, here's what they look like once they dry down a little bit. I topped them with a little bit of chives because Travis likes chives. And there they are. They're tender because you cooked them with the aluminum foil to start with and got them good and tender in that marinade. and then let them dry out, and then put a little bit of your total seasoning and your paprika on it, and a little chives to top. And there you go. I'll show you one when I get it in the plate. Okay, here's what they look like. And I actually had a taste and they're good. So I hope y'all give this a try. Thanks for watching. Okay, y'all, here's what it looks like plated up. I gave Travis 3 chicken legs, some sweet potatoes with a bunch of butter, and some yellow corn. So this is what's for supper tonight. Hope y'all give it a try. Okay, y'all, I just wanted to say thanks for watching. If you like our channel, please like, share, and subscribe. We're trying to grow our channel, and we're getting there. And I'll probably be bringing some more chicken recipes because me and Travis, we eat a lot of chicken around here. So I'll show you different ways that we do it too. So keep coming back and see more videos. So until next time, see you. Thanks for watching.